Tips that will help you run your home business successfully. Working from home is something many people dream about. But what a lot of people don't realize is how difficult running your own home business is. But for those of you who still want to forge on with your plans, this video has a few tips and tricks to give you a leg up. If you run a business out of your home, consider employing members of your family. Having more employees on the books allows you to deduct the cost of their insurance premiums from your taxes. You must be able to account for the actual work they do, and provide a reasonable wage in order to avoid scrutiny from the IRS, however. A key tip for those planning to launch a home business is to carefully research any and all legal and insurance requirements that may apply to the specific type of enterprise being contemplated. By doing so, it will be possible to avoid unnecessary future business disruptions resulting from disputes with regulatory authorities. Research anyone you plan to hire for your home business. You want to make sure that your employees are reliable and skilled in the product that you are going to sell, or else you are taking the risk of your business flopping. Make it easy for customers and retailers to get in touch with you. Use your business website as your email address and give it out to everyone. This helps keep your business name out there to be seen. Place your business email address on every piece of correspondence. Include it on your business cards and stationery. On your website, add a link to your email address on every single page to help customers contact you faster. Hopefully this video didn't scare you away from your plans but instead gave you a push toward meeting your business goals. Running a home business isn't an easy task, but that doesn't mean you should give up. If you're still leery after watching this video, there are plenty more out there that can give you more advice on being successful. Student loan.